Hello everyone. Welcome to the Electronic Express channel. If you've ever wondered which diet is best for achieving your health and weight loss goals, this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about the most popular diets, the myths surrounding them, and, above all, help you figure out which diet really makes sense for your lifestyle and health goals. Stay with me until the end, because the truth may surprise you. Before we start, leave your like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any content about well-being, food and weight loss. Nowadays, there's no shortage of diets. There's the ketogenic diet, the paleo diet, intermittent fasting, the vegan diet, the low-carb diet. There are so many options that it's hard to know which one really works and, more importantly, which one is best for you. One thing is certain. There is no miracle diet that works for everyone. Each body reacts differently, and the key is to understand what works for you. In this video, we'll explore the truth behind these diets, how they affect your body and, of course, help you decide which one makes the most sense for your health and wellness goals. Shall we get started? So what exactly is a diet? Basically, a diet is the set of foods you consume on a regular basis. And why have so many different diets become popular? Because each one promises something specific. To lose weight fast, improve heart health, increase energy, among other things. But do they all deliver what they promise? Let's understand the reality behind some of the most popular ones. Ketogenic, keto diet. You may have heard of the ketogenic diet, where you consume very little carbohydrates and greatly increase your consumption of fats. The aim is to get the body into ketosis, a state in which it burns fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. Keto can be effective for rapid weight loss, but the problem is sustainability. Few people can maintain this style of eating for long without missing foods rich in carbohydrates, such as fruit and whole grains. In addition, there are risks, such as an increase in bad cholesterol in some people. So if you like a more balanced diet, this may not be the best choice for you. 2. Low-carb diet. The low-carb diet is similar to the ketogenic diet, but a little more flexible. Here, the idea is to reduce the amount of carbohydrates to stabilize insulin levels and promote fat burning. It can work well for those with insulin resistance or for those who want to lose weight faster. But again, the challenge lies in the lack of dietary variety. In the long term, it can be difficult to maintain. Vegan diet. The vegan diet excludes all animal products, which can be great for those who are concerned about ethical or environmental issues. From a health point of view, it can be very beneficial, with a reduced risk of heart disease and improved gut health. However, you need to be very careful with your intake of proteins and essential nutrients, such as vitamin B12 and iron, which are mainly found in foods of animal origin. Vegans need to plan to ensure that their diet is balanced. 4. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not exactly a diet, but an eating pattern in which you alternate between periods of fasting and eating. There are various ways of practicing it, such as 16/8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. Studies show that fasting can help with weight loss and improve insulin sensitivity. But, like any other strategy, it doesn't work for everyone. If you're someone who finds it difficult to go many hours without eating, fasting can end up making you hungrier and leading you to overeat afterwards. 2. Pros and cons of each diet. Now that you know a little more about each diet, let's summarize the pros and cons of each one to help you make an informed decision. 1. Ketogenic, keto, diet. Pros: rapid weight loss. Reduced appetite. Can improve blood sugar levels. Cons: difficult to maintain in the long term. May increase bad cholesterol in some people. May cause tiredness and lack of energy at first. 2. Low-carb diet. Pros: effective for weight loss. Reduction of insulin spikes. Cons: can be restrictive in terms of food variety. Lack of carbohydrates can lead to fatigue in some people. 3. Vegan diet. Pros: reduced risk of heart disease. Environmental and ethical benefits. Cons: requires planning to avoid nutritional deficiencies. It can be difficult to find suitable food outside the home. 4. Intermittent fasting. Pros: simple to follow, doesn't require counting calories or restricting food. Can help improve metabolism. Cons: can cause intense hunger and binge eating. Not suitable for people with a history of eating disorders. Which is best for you? So what's the best diet for you? The answer is not so simple. It all depends on who you are, what your goals are and what makes sense for your life. If you're looking for quick weight loss, the ketogenic diet or intermittent fasting could be good options. But if you value sustainability and want a long-term plan, perhaps a more balanced approach such as low-carb or a balanced vegan diet is more suitable. Remember, the most important thing is consistency and enjoyment. There's no point in following a diet that makes you unhappy or hungry all the time. The best diet is the one you can stick to in the long term and that fits in with your lifestyle. So, which diet makes the most sense for you? What matters is that you find a balance and don't get caught up in fads. Your body deserves to be well looked after, and that starts with good food choices, but also with balance and flexibility. If you like this information, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on food and well-being. And let me know in the comments, which diet do you find most interesting for your lifestyle? Thank you very much for watching.